Okay, this is the official opening of the Isuzu truck production line. And here we have the chassis tumbling line. Here we go. Take the whole chassis, turns it around, and then from there it'll be moved forward. And now it'll go forward and it'll get the wheels on. You can see the wheel there is ready. The wheel is getting ready to go on. And that is what it does. On the bigger truck chassis, the guy says that sometimes the building shakes. But the assembly line is open officially today. And good luck to Isuzu for the future. It's a great investment in South Africa. And there we go.